Going to show you that spot in Towner's Woods I was talking about with the weird things. This is that concrete obelisk thing that looks like a stump. It's not a stump, it's made out of concrete. It's about 7 feet tall. Here I am next to it. And yeah, there's 3 more of those, and this weird metal disc thing on the ground over here that's about 9 feet wide, I would say. That's a circle with this thing shape cut out of it. And then the 3 other concrete obelisk things. All of them are about at least 6 feet tall. There's 2 other ones down there. That's one, and that's one. Those are not stumps. Those are these concrete things. So, pretty weird, right?